Today we are going to continue with chapter 1, real numbers for class 10 students. And today we are going to continue with the same exercise 1.1. Some few remaining sums are left and we are going to solve those sums. And the first sum is question number 5. We are going to solve today. So welcome back to my channel Economatrix Day, and I am your mentor as well as your friend Shurajit. So without further delay, let's start the class.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
So students of class 10, let us see what they are asking in question number 5. Question number 5. Check whether 6 to the power n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. Now natural number means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are all natural numbers. Okay. So we have to say that 6 to the power n, whatever it will be, whether it will end with the digit 0 or not. That we have to prove in this sum. We have to check it. Okay. So let us solve it. Now, before solving, we must know some few concepts. What is that one? Any number which ends with the digit 0. Okay. Suppose if I take a number 40, 50, 60, anything. Okay. So these numbers are ending with the digit 0. At the end, 0 is there. And when 0 is there, you will see here factors will come out. Like 40 factors will be there. 50 factors will be there. For 60 factors will be there. So if it ends with 0, then it should be divisible by 10. Okay, it must be divisible by 10, or it must be divisible by 2 and 5 also. Why? Because 10 means 2 into 5. So either it should be divisible, that means we can divide it by 10, or we can divide it by 2 as well as 5 also. So this concept you must know. Suppose here 40. 40, what you can say? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. So you can see here 2, 5 is there, 2 is there. Okay. So it will be divisible by 10, and that's why it is what? It is ending with the digit 0. So this concept we have to keep in our mind to solve this sum. Okay. So what we will write? We will write here, if any number ends with the digit 0, it will be divisible. It will be divisible by 10, or in other words, it will also be divisible by 2 and 5, as 10 equal to 2 into 5. Clear up to this much? Now we will find out this 6 to the power n, its prime factors. Now, prime factorization of 6 to the power n is what? 6 means 2 into 3 to the power n. Clear? Now you see here 6, when we find out the factors, 2 and 3 is coming. Okay. So 2 is matching, but 5 is not there. Okay. So what I can write? it can be observed that 5 is not a prime factorization of 6 to the power n. Okay, so 5 is not coming. 2 is matching, but 5 is not matching. So what I can write? Hence, for any value of n, okay, any value of n, 6 to the power n will not be divisible by 5. Understanding or no? You take any value of n. N should be natural number. N value can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Any value will not be divisible by 5. Now what I can write? Therefore, see the question. 6 to the power n cannot end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. Clear? So this is how we can solve this sum, by writing statements. Okay, I think you have understood the sum nicely. Practice nicely 2-3 times, then it will be very easy. Now students, those who are new in my channel, I would like to request you all to please give a like, share this video with your friends and classmates, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, because when you subscribe my channel, it really motivates me to make more such interesting videos in future. And don't forget to press the all notification bell, ting ting, so that what will happen, whenever I upload such videos, you will get the notifications first. Now we will move on to the next sum. Now we are going to solve question number 6. So let us see what they are asking in question number 6. Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite numbers. That means you have to say, you have to explain why this number and this number, they are composite numbers. So to know that whether it is a composite number or not, we have to know what are composite numbers. And to know the composite numbers, we have to know what are prime numbers. So what we can say, answer, numbers are of two types. That is, prime numbers and composite numbers. So numbers are of two types, prime numbers and composite numbers. Now what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers which have or that have only two factors. That is 1 and the number itself. Clear? So prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factors. That is 1 is one factor, and the number itself. Whereas, you can write here, whereas composite numbers are what? Composite numbers are those numbers which have more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors. Just the opposite of the prime number. Okay. So which are prime number? The leftover numbers will be composite number. Clear? Now we will see. Now, what is the number here? 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. Okay. So what we can do here? You can see all these are multiplication, then plus, then 30. So here 13 is also there, here 13 is also there. So what we can take? We can take 13 common. Okay. So now what is left then? 7 into 11. Can you see? Then 13 is already gone. So we will not write. Now plus. Now 13 taken common. Then what is left? 1 is left. Because 13, 1 is 13. See, again you multiply 13 into 7 into 11 will be what? 7 into 11 into 13. Plus, then 13 into 1, 13. Okay. Now, after this, 13. Now, 7 into 11, 77 plus 1. So, what you get? 13 into 78. Now, 13. Now, 78, you can again break it. Okay. 78. So, what you get? 2 3s are 6. 7, 2, 9s are 18. Again 3, 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Again 13. So what you get here? 13, again here 3 and again 2. So you can see how many factors are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is more than 2 factors. So what it will be? It will be composite number. Therefore, the expression, or you can say, since the expression has what factors? 13, 3 and 2 as its factors. Therefore, what you can say, 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 is a composite number. Clear? See, so easy one. Understand? Now the second part, one more is there. Can you see? 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. So same way we will do the sum. So how we will do? Let me rub this portion. Okay. So the top portion I am rubbing. Okay. Now I will rub the rough work also. Again. So what it is there? 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. So another expression is given. Now in this expression you can see 5 here also. So I can take 5 common. Then what is left? 7 into 6. 5 is gone. Now 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus. Again from here 5 gone. So what is left? 1 left. Okay. Got it? Now you will say, sir, you have taken 5 common, then you write 1. We can write 1 also. 7 into 6 into 1. But 1 if you multiply it will be same thing. That's why I am not writing. Okay. And here why I am writing 1? Because here once we take 5 then nothing is left. Then we have to write 1. Okay. Now 5. Now we will multiply this one. 7 into 6. 42. 42 into 4. So 4 2s are 8. 4 4s are 16. Then into 3. So 3 8s are 24. 2 carry 3 6 18, 19, 20, 2 carry, 3 1 are 3, 4, 5. So 504. Then again we will multiply with 2. So 2 4s are 8, 2 zeros are 0, 2 5s are 10. So what you get? 1008. Into 1 means same thing, 1008 plus 1. So what you get here? 5 into 1008 plus 1 is what? 1009. Clear? Now here we can write this one. What we can write here, this also like this way. 5 into 1009. Now 1009 we cannot break it. Okay. So it cannot be broken into factors. Okay. So it will be what? 1009 only. Okay. It will divide by 1009. So now what factors I can say? 1 into 5 into 1009. Clear? Understanding or no? So here you can see more than 2 factors. Clear or no? One is 1, one is 5, one is 1009. So what we can say now? Since the expression has what factors? 1 is there, 5 is there, 1, or we can write here, and 1009 as its factors. Okay. Therefore 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 is a composite number. Okay. So you can see we can write 1. Okay. So because 1009, if you do LCM, if you find out the factors 1009, so it will go with 1009 only. 1. Okay. So we can put here 1 also as a factor. So 1 into 5 into this one. Now another factor will be there if you multiply this one. 1009 into 5. Okay. That also will be another factor because the total number, whole number, the full number. Okay. So it has more than 2 factors, and when it is more than 2 factors, then obviously it is a composite number. I think you have understood the sum, question number 6 as well as question number 5. So now it's your duty to practice 2-3 times so that in the exam, if any one of these sums comes in the exam, you will be able to do quickly as well as correctly. अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आए तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा। मिलते हैं और एक अच्छे कंटेंट के साथ, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।